So you might be in this weird position where for some reason your AirPods are just not updating. Now, you will be able to see that your AirPods, and maybe not these ones, you will be able to see that certain AirPods, when you actually connect them just like this, you'll basically be able to see the AirPod information and basically the update history within these AirPods. If you make your way over to your AirPod, if you connect them to your iPhone, you click on your AirPods here, you should be able to find something that says the software version that it's on, or version right here, which is 6.8.8. Now you might be wondering how to fix it if it's not updating. So let's say it's like at 7.0 now and your AirPods are just not updating. Well, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Your AirPods will update automatically as your iPhones are connected. So as long as your iPhone is connected to your AirPods, that is the number one thing you're going to have to do. Now on top of that, let's say you do that and that's still not working. Well, the other thing you're going to have to do on top of that is to just see if you can update your iPhone. Sometimes AirPod updates kind of sometimes, kick off when you actually update your iPhone, which is very interesting. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and make your way over to your general settings of your iPhone. You then want to go and click on software update. And all you're going to want to do here is basically update your iPhone. So if there is an update available for your iPhone, all you're going to have to do is update to that version of software. And that might be all you're going to have to do. Again, it's not a guarantee, but that's another thing that may end up fixing it for you. And for a lot of people out there, including myself, that's kind of what ended up fixing it for me. So that's another option that you kind of have there. Now, if that's still not working, you may want to go ahead and just make sure that your AirPods are fully charged up, that they have a decent battery life inside of them, because if the battery is about to die, well, that's probably going to be a reason why it's not working. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.